Hi and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 67 Reg 330D M Sport Touring. Presented in black sapphire metallic, this vehicle features a massive amount of BMW optional extras alongside a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. The alloy wheels are the 19-inch BMW 704M alloys that we've just had professionally refurbished in the bi-colour jet black. You'll see sitting behind those the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this wonderful Touring 3 Series that does mean we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package. At the front of the car you can see the LED headlamps, and giving you a top view of the vehicle you can see the full glass panoramic sunroof, which is a really great option in any of the BMW ranges, but especially so one with a wonderful interior such as this one. You can see down the side it's a very clean and tidy example. Rear windows do of course feature the privacy glass as part of that M Sport Plus package. We've added the satin side vinyls and matching sidebars. For the interior we've got the wonderful Black Dakota M highlight seats, and for drivers and passengers you can enjoy both the heated and the electric lumbar options. By the M highlights I do of course mean you get the M3 stripe tricolours there along with blue stitching throughout, and you can see having that glass sunroof really lets in a huge amount of natural light into both the front and rear portion of the car. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course the Harman Kardon surround sound. Showing you now the rear seats, which of course you'll find a very spacious 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest, and of course our darkened M Sport headlining, still being illuminated of course with all natural light. Before heading round to the very rear, again I want to show you just how fantastic these alloys have come out and how well they sit against the 3 Series. We've opted to go for the full rear spoiler on this car, and it has to be one of my favourite additions that we are able to offer here. Again, you do of course get a fully automatic opening and closing tailgate on the touring version of the 3 Series. And then you can see just how large the boot area is then revealed. You can also split fold the seats. You do also have a factory fit luggage guard and the dog cover as well, which is of course a really great should you have any pets. We've also got a rear facing reversing camera, and you can of course open just the glass portion of that rear tailgate. Round at the driver's side, once again I'm trying to show you there that it's an exceptionally clean and tidy vehicle, and that black sapphire really does pop under any light source. And we shall now hop on board because there is yet still a lot of special features within this 330D Touring, beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen. And immediately when entering the car you can see that I've got a huge amount of that wonderful natural light, giving a real depth of ambience to the interior. Starting with the navigation, which utilises real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on that fastest route possible. In terms of keeping you connected, we do of course have the regular Bluetooth telephone and audio. However, on this car it also has Apple CarPlay, which is of course a really great way of ensuring you're connected should you be an Apple user out there. In terms of your other multimedia inputs, we've of course showed you Bluetooth audio and the Apple CarPlay function. We've got DAB, we've got music collection, we've got online entertainment, along with AUX and USB inputs. We'll quickly demonstrate that rear facing reversing camera. It also does have the parking assist, so that does mean we've got extra parking sensors around the vehicle, not just front and rear parking sensors, which is of course really nice, being that this is that little bit longer being the touring version. Back to the main menu in just a couple of seconds. We'll show you the service requirements and service history for the car. It's covered just over 40,000 miles. Does also have the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. I did of course mention that wonderful 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Has the high beam assist function, and we shall now quickly show you off this vehicle's service requirements. The engine oil is due in 2,300 miles, so of course that falls below our service parameters here at Your Next Car, so we shall be shortly carrying out a service and inspection on this vehicle. However, in the meantime you can see there it's got full comprehensive BMW all the way up to 36816, so a very well specced and very well looked after vehicle, and that shall be carried on because, as I've mentioned, we shall be servicing the car shortly. One last thing to of course show you, just pop the sunroof into tilt, and of course finish off by saying I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around and been able to enjoy it. Should you want to get in touch with us, you'll find all of the relevant information and of course links in the description. Thank you once again. Do of course take care. Bye bye.